In 1960, Crok was swimming in the Aral Sea, enjoying the moment. But humans don't like Crok's enjoyment, so they diverted the water from the sea. Crok's home was the fourth largest lake on Earth at that time, but because humans didn't like Crok having fun, the lake decreased in size, creating a desert around it. Crok unhappily left his home, but due to the low water in the lake, humans catching fish also disappeared. Almost 60,000 of them went with Crok. The desert sand blew into the air, destroying humans' farms, adding poison to them, and increasing the cancer rate. Humans knew messing with Crok was bad, but they never learn. Before coming to the Aral Sea, Crok got bored. In 1900, Crok chose to learn mechanical engineering. Crok became a student of Thomas Midgley. Crok worked hard to learn about engines. One day, Crok found out his teacher discovered reducing engine noise using lead. Crok was very proud of his teacher. Crok graduated and moved to the Aral Sea. After 60 years, Crok found out lead is poisonous and that his teacher knew it. Crok started to hate humans even more. For 60 years, cars burned lead into the air. Crok found out it made humans more stupid by lowering their IQ. It also made humans more violent than Crok. With curiosity, Crok researched more about his teacher. Crok found out he later discovered CFCs, which destroy the ozone layer and make Crok hotter.